Today we're going to work with green screen to enhance our movie. So first I'm going to go ahead and start by heading to the Finder and bringing in some of the clips. I know that we've practiced this in the past, but I want to make sure that I take a minute to do this again. So I've headed over to my Finder application, my Spot and Waffles movie, and I'm going to go ahead and bring in some of the green screen clips that we took of our guinea pigs. I took some background pictures like carrots and salad. I'm going to bring those in. Now that I've added all of my clips, we're going to go ahead and explore using green screen. Well, imagine that our guinea pig here is hanging out in the classroom and wondering what life might be like outside the classroom. So what you want to do is have the background video. In this case, I do want to have our guinea pig, but I want to bring in a thought bubble, so I'm going to use green screen. So I saved this item and I'm going to drag it on top of the video. And when I do, up here on the top right, you're going to notice that a new icon has appeared. This icon will allow us to use a couple different features like cutaway, blue, green screen, split screen, and picture in picture. We're just going to focus on green and blue screen today. So when I click on this, you're going to notice that if I move the playhead back, here we have our guinea pig, and our guinea pig is wondering, I wonder what life would be like outside that window. And so I'm going to go ahead and bring our window over, and we're going to set up the story using our Ken Burns effect. So I'm going to look at the start. The start is this wide end, and then the end. I'm going to zoom in so it seems like our guinea pig is focusing right out the window where maybe some dreams will happen here in a minute. So there we go. Well, what is he dreaming of? I think he's dreaming that there's going to be carrots and salad. Let me go ahead and take off the Ken Burns effect. So I'm just going to fit so that screen doesn't move. And then we want to bring a green screen guinea pig on top. So I'm going to take this clip and I'm going to drag it on top of the carrots. So you'll notice that there's that little line. I'm going to let go. And then I want to increase this clip possibly to match that film. So I'm going to stretch. I'm going to stretch it out to be as long as my clip for now. And if I hit the space bar, I can see that, oh, okay, so it hasn't worked yet. So what I want to do is make sure that I click on the green clip. I come back over here to this little icon that doesn't appear unless I'm on that video or picture that I've added on top of my background, or in this case, the carrots. So I'll click on this. It's using a cutaway right now. When a cutaway means instead of what film is on the bottom, it's cutting away to whatever you added on top. We're going to select green, blue screen. And now you can see that our guinea pig is on top of the carrots, right? So I'm going to hit the space bar. We'll take a look. Okay, everything is looking pretty clean except for I can see right here on the left-hand side, there's this little triangular spot which ended up not being green, and this spot right here, which ended up not being green as well. And so when we did film, for example, this guinea pig here, if you take a close critical look on the right-hand side, this white space would appear inside of a green screen video, and this triangle, which we also see in ours, would appear in the green screen video. So what we can do is we can take a minute and crop those triangles out. So how do we do that? Well, on the right-hand side of blue, or the green blue screen feature, you're going to notice there's cleanup. So when I click on that, I'm able to crop out parts like, so I'm going to drag it in so that we get rid of the little triangle. There we go. So the triangle is now missing from here. And I'm going to pull over and drag in to get rid of that triangle that was right here. There we go. And so now when I hit the space bar from the beginning, I can see that our guinea pig wonders what life would be like outside the window. And we zoom into the window because we're dreaming, and voila. Of course, you would land in a field of carrots and lots of delicious vegetables. And for some reason, we're seeing through a little bit of our guinea pig's chin. And so I can go back and do a little bit of a refining here in my green screen video. It could be a shadow that is being mistaken, but for now, I think this looks pretty good as our way to use green screen. So in the next video, I'm going to share a few hacks like how was I able to create this thought bubble? And what if I wanted to move our guinea pig to the bottom of the field of carrots? How could I do that? So look for that in our next video if you're wanting to take a little bit of extra time to learn how to create a couple different fun green screen hacks.